guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Cheryl, and on this channel we talk about all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in any of those things, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss another video. So welcome back. I am super excited about today's video. I had to head out earlier to run a few errands and I had a package on my doorstep, so I immediately stopped the car, jumped out, grabbed it, and put it in the back seat, ran all my errands, came back home, and now I'm going to unbox it with you. The package is from Babalabag, so thank you Babalabag for sponsoring today's video. But again, like I said, I'm super excited about this package because when I was in New York a few weeks ago, I went to the Louis Vuitton store on 5th Ave and I saw this bag in person and I loved it. She was gorgeous. It's a different style that it's a different style than I usually go for when it comes to Louis Vuitton or just any handbag in general. But I am trying to step out of my comfort zone, not too much. I'm still very much a classic girl, but sometimes I want something a little bit extra. And when I saw this bag, I knew I loved it, but obviously I did not love the price. So when Babalabag reached out to me and wanted to give me an item that I could share with you all, I immediately knew the bag that I was going to choose. And Babalabag is really good with making these products. The quality is amazing. The packaging is impeccable. Just everything about the handbags that I have received from them, I absolutely love. I don't mind carrying them. I don't mind styling them. This is the box that it came in. It's always going to come in the box and it's going to come in really nice packaging. So that's what it has on the inside. I haven't even seen this bag in person yet from Babalabag, because usually I will go ahead and unbox it and check it out to make sure it's, number one, the item that I chose and that it meets my expectations as far as quality, the stitching, the coloring, and all those things. But we're just going to do a true unboxing today. We're just going to open it up and we're going to both be surprised at the same time. So I'll go ahead and open it up. It comes with your little envelope and the ribbon. All of these things are going to come in the box. It has your little card here. So a really nice reusable box. I've had so many of these to now I don't even keep them anymore, but that's a nice reusable box that you can use. Here is the dust bag that it comes in, nicely packaged, nicely wrapped. Take it out of the dust bag, and this is the handbag that I chose. It is the newer print, I guess, from Louis Vuitton, and I have it in this luggage style. So let's just open it out of the plastic. So usually I don't even have the plastic on the bag when I unbox them for you, but like I said, this is a true unboxing, so it will come in this plastic bag, which I appreciate because they're protecting the bag from any outside elements that may, seep through the box or anything like that. So they want to make sure it's nicely packaged. But this is the handbag. Let me get closer. I'll pop it up on the screen. Like, it has all the plastic on here that I need to remove. But to open it, you would clip the little fasten right here and then unzip it. The zipper is super smooth. I had no issues with it. I don't see any buckling, any threading on here. It's so perfect. Inside you have some stuffing with a shoulder strap right here. This one is the braided shoulder strap, if you can see that, and it's a nice short length, so if you wanted to wear it like a short shoulder bag. Of course, it's going to come with the longer shoulder strap so you can wear it crossbody. And so everything is just packaged so well. Wait a second, it's two. Is this an extender? Okay, I haven't really delved into this handbag to see what all the features are, because again, like I said before, when I saw the price, I knew I wasn't interested in purchasing it, so I didn't go into all the details about it. But I think this is an extender to the bag. Yes, so You would connect these two, and that way you can make the strap as long or as short as you need it. And then here are the buckles on the end that would attach to the clasp here on each side. That's where you will put the short braided strap, or you will put this longer extended one. It also came with a luggage tag, and this one has the LV in the gold metal on it. Really, really cute. And then you would just attach it somewhere here on the bag. Again, I'll have to figure all of that out. And then I need to go in and take off all of the plastic, because everything has plastic on it, again, to keep it nice and protected. But this is such a cute bag. This is what it looks like on the bottom. The material is very soft, which I love, but then it's also structured on the side with these metal buckles here, because it is that trunk style handbag. But she's cute. She is super, super cute. I love the print on it. I know it's monogram all over the bag, and I don't usually go for that, but I think this is a little muted style. I think because it's more of a neutral color, I just feel like this works. It's not doing too much. And then with the vachetta leather, it's not overbearing. Like, it's not enough where I feel like I will damage it or it would get just too dirty. I think this is perfect. And you guys, look at the details on the corners. Like, all of that has LV written all over it on the sides. Like, I don't know if you can see this at all, but it's just LV up and down on both sides. I love that. It's so, so cute. This also, oh, look, inside has the flower emblem on the interior. I don't even know if you guys can see this. Oh my, you just have to get the bag. Get this bag so that you can see all of the details of this bag. She is so, so gorgeous. But let's try to attach one of these straps so that you can see. Let's take this tape off. Okay, I've taken all of the tape off, so let's just attach this here so you can get an idea of what the strap looks like on the bag. So this is what it's going to look like with the shorter braided shoulder strap. Let me stand up and go on. So this is what it's going to look like as a shorter shoulder bag, but she is beautiful. I don't know, this may be my favorite bag so far from Babalabag, and I've gotten several of them, but I don't know, I am really loving this one. I have my other bag here. Let's see what fits into this bag. So this is my Chanel Coco handle. I think it's in the mini size, also from Babalabag. This is what I'm carrying today. So I just have a couple of items in here. So let's switch them over to the new bag and see what fits inside of here. So first we're gonna take my Louis Vuitton, I think it's called a key clay or a key holder. I forget what this is called. I have it in the Damier Ebene print. I used to have the 6-ring key holder, but I just feel like this one is just better suited for me. I love that I can put coins in here. I can put a ton of cards in here and also my keys. So I think I just like this one a little better than the 6-ring key holder. Then we have my AirPods and some hand lotion, hand sanitizer, lip gloss. Let's throw a phone in here, and that's pretty much all that I have, like within arm's reach to put in here. But plenty of space left on the inside here. I could put my card holder in here. I could put my small wallet in here, or even a full-size wallet will also fit inside of here. So plenty of space. You can see there's no sagging. It's a little, I mean, it's soft in the bottom, but there's no sagging because I put items in here. It's not sagging at the bottom, which I don't like. So this is perfect. Perfect. Cute, cute, cute. It is not heavy at all. I mean, I didn't really put that many things in here, but it's still a nice size. Weight to the bag is not too heavy. It's perfect. So I love this bag. I will leave all of the details about this handbag down in the description box below. I will also have a discount code that you can use if you want to get some money off, and I will also have their website down in the description box so you can check out some of their other products that are on the website. Again, you will not be disappointed. The quality is amazing, the pricing is good. You're not going to break the bank. You're going to get the look, but for less. So you're not going to have any issues with their shipping. Is pretty quickly. Shipping is pretty quick. I think I received this bag in about 7 to 10 days since I put the order in. So the shipping is perfect. You're not going to have any issues with that. Do pay attention to the website's name when you click on the link. I think this one does not have the S on it. So just make sure that you click on the exact link that I have down in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing. I love this bag. Absolutely cannot wait to style her up and wear it. So you will be seeing some more videos of me styling this handbag. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.